decree of divine renewal, embracing a new year. I invoke the divine source, the infinite creator, and the sacred unity of all that is. I call forth my higher self, Oversoul, and spiritual team aligned with the highest light and truth to witness, support, and empower this sacred decree. I welcome the presence and guidance of my star family from across the cosmos to join in this decree. I call upon the archangels of all directions, realms, and dimensions to offer their divine assistance and protection as I embark on this invocation. I invite the angels of light, healing, and love to support and surround me throughout this process. I align with the cosmic Christ consciousness and the Christ grid, along with the ascended beings within it, to amplify this sacred work. I connect to Gaia's crystalline grid, invoking its nurturing energy and the support of the angelic beings within it. May this connection ground and guide me as I align with my highest path. Alignment with the divine light. Spirit, I ask that all my energy centers, from the heart upward, be harmonized with the radiant energy of the sun, central sun, and great central sun. May all centers from my heart downward anchor deeply into the sovereign light of the earth, fully attuned to Gaia's crystalline grid and its transformative energies. Let all my energy centers, both within and beyond my physical being, align perfectly with my higher self, the cosmic Christ consciousness, and the infinite wisdom of the divine. Help me embody the sacred light of the Creator within every fiber of my being and recognize this light in all of creation. Guide me to see the divine spark in every being I encounter and in all aspects of nature, the rocks, trees, plants, and creatures, acknowledging the sacred essence of life. Unify and release. Spirit, unify my conscious, unconscious, and higher conscious minds. Harmonize my inner selves, light and shadow, ego and essence, so they align with my soul's higher purpose, spiritual connection, and service to the world. May all aspects of my being collaborate in unity, seeking only what serves my highest timeline. I consciously choose the path of ascension, elevating my vibration to embody greater love, light, and inner power. I release all outdated vows, agreements, and energies that limit my soul's infinite potential. Release all residual energies, patterns, and programs of the past year, fear, guilt, resentment, and any other lower frequencies, transforming them into the brilliance of higher light. Clear and purify all aspects of my being, down to the cellular and DNA levels, across all timelines and dimensions, so only the essence of my true nature remains. Healing and transformation. Spirit, heal and restore my physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual bodies. Dissolve all energies that contribute to disharmony or suffering and apply divine healing light to every area in need of restoration. Help me perceive every experience as an opportunity for growth, reframing all challenges as stepping stones toward wisdom and mastery. Empower me to forgive, release, and transform what no longer serves, enabling me to welcome the blessings of the new year with an open heart. Activation and amplification. Activate within me the template of divine perfection and well-being. Illuminate my DNA with the frequency of crystalline light, enhancing my physical and spiritual gifts in divine timing. Amplify my inner peace, love, and vitality, allowing me to radiate these qualities outward to inspire and uplift others. Spirit, amplify love, joy, and inspiration within my heart and mind. Let my actions, words, and intentions reflect these divine qualities, manifesting blessings and miracles in my reality. Guide me to new connections, opportunities, and creative endeavors that align with my highest purpose and destiny. Manifestation of abundance and miracles. Spirit, align me with the infinite abundance of the universe. Dissolve all limiting beliefs around prosperity, allowing me to embody the fullness of divine generosity. May my experience of abundance inspire others to embrace their own limitless potential. Awaken within me the consciousness of miracles. Help me recognize and co-create these divine occurrences, affirming the infinite possibilities of a new era of light. Sealing and completion. Spirit, seal my energy field with protective light of violet, ultraviolet, and golden radiance. Harmonize all layers of my being, anchoring me securely in my higher self and highest reality. Bring this decree to completion, clearing and aligning all levels of my Akashic records and energetic blueprints. Allow me to step into the new year with grace, freedom, and divine flow, open to receiving the highest blessings and opportunities. Thank you, Spirit, and all divine beings present for reminding me of your presence, your unwavering support, and for revealing to me what I need to know. May this decree serve the highest good of all in accordance with the cosmic laws of love and light. With gratitude, I affirm this is done, and so it is. Much love, light, and joy.